Tour guides, what's the worst thing a tourist has ever done under your supervision? I was 7 months pregnant, just a week away from maternity leave. One day, while heading through a penguin colony, I saw a huge SUV break through the barriers and drive right into the colony. Around 20 tourists got out and started taking selfies, completely unaware they were crushing penguin burrows. I calmly signaled for them to leave and explained they were doing damage. While they moved away, I began checking the burrows. The first few were empty, but the last one had a breeding pair. I gently picked up the female penguin with my left arm and the male with my right. Out of nowhere, the male penguin bit me, right through my upper lip. As blood streamed down my face, tourists started taking photos of me holding 2 penguins. I waved them off, placed the birds safely in another burrow, and called for backup. My lip healed without a scar. The next morning, the penguins swam off safely. A painful day, but one I'll never forget.